Are you ready to discover the investment that can put your financial worries to rest? Grab your favorite drink because, in just a few minutes, we're about to embark on an exciting journey towards financial security. Imagine this. What if you could invest in a way that not only grows your wealth, but also pays you regularly, like clockwork? Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let me introduce you to SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It's an exchange-traded fund that's designed to track the performance of high dividend-yielding U.S. stocks. Essentially, it's a way for investors like us to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying companies with a history of profitability, providing you with a reliable income stream. SCHD's diversified portfolio includes some of the biggest names in the market, such as Microsoft and Coca-Cola. The fund focuses on companies that have a proven history of increasing their dividends, ensuring your investment keeps growing over time. Now, let's delve deeper into why SCHD is such an attractive investment option. Firstly, it offers you diversification across a wide range of companies while delivering consistent and significant dividends. Secondly, it is renowned for its impressively low expense ratio, standing at just 0.06%. Compared to many other ETFs, this is a pretty low and attractive expense ratio. It means you won't see a substantial portion of your returns eaten up by fees. It's cost-effective, which translates into more money in your pocket, and that's always a good thing for your financial bottom line, right? And finally, with its combination of a low expense ratio and high dividend yield, SCHD becomes an appealing option, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to optimize your portfolio or someone just starting their investment journey. And here's the icing on the cake, the time factor. With SCHD, you can enjoy the benefits of dividend investing without the time-consuming hassle of selecting individual stocks. It's like having the best of both worlds. Let's put some cold, hard numbers on the table and reveal how this investment can transform your financial future. Over the last decade, SCHD has delivered an average annual growth rate of 11.9%. To put that into perspective, if you had invested $1,000 in 2013, your investment would have soared to an impressive $2,638 by now, marking a remarkable 164% increase. But that's not all. Along the way, you would have received quarterly dividend payouts totaling $628 over the span of 10 years. This means, without actively managing your investment, you would have accumulated $3,286, earning a notable $2,286 in profit. Quite impressive, wouldn't you say? So, whether you're aiming to build wealth for retirement, generate passive income, or simply secure your financial future, investing in SCHD may be a strategic move that aligns with your financial goals. It offers diversification, reliable dividends, cost efficiency, and a time-saving approach, making it a versatile choice for investors of all backgrounds. But hey, let's explore a crucial consideration when investing in SCHD. You might have noticed that companies offering substantial dividends often aren't the high-flying growth leaders we see with companies like Tesla. This distinction means that, in the short term, you shouldn't anticipate meteoric stock price surges when investing in SCHD. But here's where it truly shines. It primarily comprises large, steadfast companies we affectionately call steady movers. These aren't the flashy new startups. They're the reliable giants that have stood the test of time. Now that we've uncovered the power of SCHD, you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, investing in it is simpler than you might think. You'll need a brokerage account, and then you can buy shares of SCHD just like you would with any other stock. Simple, right? Folks, we're coming to the end on our journey through SCHD investing. Remember, it offers diversification, reliable dividends, and cost efficiency. If this video has sparked your curiosity, take that next step. Open that brokerage account, dive deeper into SCHD, and start shaping your financial future. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights and investment tips. Thanks for watching.